Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today another installment in the Custom Blend series. And today is another blend from Cloudbear Custom Blends. And this is going to be part 4, I think the 4th installment. It's a nice word, installment. Today we're going to be smoking some long Cutt English from Cloudbear. There we go. And oh, some people asked what the date is there. That is just simply the date that I opened up whatever bag, tin, whatever I have, and I put it in the jar. And that way, if I want to age this and I have it sitting and it gets to the back of my shelf, and I come back in 6 months and I'm like, oh, I forgot about that. Well, I know when I put it in the jar. Not really the tin date or when it was made, but it's when I tinned it, so to speak, or I jarred it. So, Cloudbear Customs Long Cutt English. Today I am smoking out of my meerschaum pipe. Oh, she's a beauty and a great smoker. And I come to find, jumping ahead a little bit, that the Long Cutt English definitely smokes better in this pipe. I don't know why, but it just seems to smoke better in my meerschaum. So Cloudbear Custom Blends Long Cutt English. It is in English, as the name states. The tin note I got Latakia. I got a sweet and sour smell to it. A little sugary smell and a little smoky smell. The color was a good mix of browns to black. Cut was ribbon. It is stated to have Virginia, Burley, Turkish, and Latakia in it. I first smoked it out of my Blakemore briar. I was having a coffee and my teeth were out. I did let it dry for about 10 minutes, as I did with this bowl today as well. My first take, I said this has a mild English flavor. It wasn't a big lat bomb or anything like that. It was a mild English flavor. I said it has a good aftertaste, no bite, and it's cool burning. I said an easy smoking English. I said I'm getting a nice sour note to it. I said halfway down, and the Burley is coming through. A bit too much Burley for me. It's a very cool burning blend. I said if you're looking to step into the world of English style blends, you should give this one a try because it's pretty mellow. It's not a really big in your face. I think a lot of people, when they're like read about English or see people smoking in English, they're like, oh, I'm getting that, and they buy that blend, a really heavy smoky blend, and it kind of turns them off a little bit to it. I said the bottom is getting very earthy, and I was starting to get some cocoa-like flavors. But I said I need more bowls of this blend, and this is one of those blends that I'm going to say after the first bowl, I'm like, So that's why a lot of times I don't do these takes on the initial first bowl, opening up the tin. I've done it a couple times, but it's pretty rare that I do that because I like to have several bowls under my belt, so to speak, because flavors will change for me. I may start off liking it, and then a couple bowls in, I'm like, nah, there's something about it I don't like, or the reverse. Also said it is better in my bent basket pipe, one of my favorite pipes. I said, but this is still not really my style of a blend. I said, but it is growing on me. Another entry out of my meerschaum. I said, the blend is getting more into my wheelhouse. Out of my meerschaum, I was getting a more sweet, sour taste. And I said, this is very Burley based, Burley forward. I said, maybe it needs to age. Now, I am not, and I've stated this before, excuse me, a big fan of Burley forward blends. I'm not a big Burley smoker. I get a cigarette taste to it. They're just not me. Like Haunted Bookshop, I'm going to bring that because that's the big example of the big Burley blend that everybody likes. I have some sitting on my shelf, and it's been there for 2 years because I just simply, I always revisit it and think that my palate's going to change. And for that blend, at least, it has not. Now, this blend, it did start off, those first couple bowls, it seemed like too much Burley for me. There was too much for my taste. And as far as English, I like the bigger lat bombs, I will admit. But after a few bowls, some different pipes, it started circling around for me to be a blend it's not so bad. I really want to put this on the shelf and come back in 6 months and see if it has mellowed out a little bit, if it's sweetened up a little bit or got a little more bold. I don't know. Maybe that'll happen. So I get a little bit more cocoa as I smoke it down. I get just a little bit more sweetness, and I enjoy that. All in all, as another boutique blend that is as custom blended as you get, this is personally blended. It's enjoyable. It's not really in my wheelhouse at this point because of the Burley forwardness, but it is definitely a good blend. And I'm going to keep smoking this. Like I said, I do want to let it sit for a couple months. It's even like this morning. It's coming around. It's got a, I'm starting to get the nuttiness, and it's nothing, the blend's not bad. It's just the Burley hits me sometimes the wrong way. But I think I'm starting to come around to it. I'm getting the nuttiness. I'm getting the flavor. It's a very good blend. So in this, I'm going to give it 3 matchsticks because top quality ingredients, top quality shipping, service, and I'm really starting to like it. It's starting to smooth back around. It's great with a cup of coffee. I will admit that. And that's a big thing I look for in blends. I want it to mix well with what I'm drinking. And so far, this is definitely a coffee blend. Like I said, it's early in the morning now, and I'm smoking it, and I'm kind of enjoying it. So give Cloud Bear Customs a look. I will leave all his information down below, Instagram and YouTube. Blends are coming out all the time from him, and he just drops them on YouTube, or not YouTube, excuse me, Instagram. He just, hey, I have this blend. It's coming out. It's here. I have X amount, and you pretty much have to DM them and get it while the getting's good, because it sells out fast, and when it sells out, it's gone. But good guy, good customer service. Give him a try. Well, hey, I'm going to enjoy this meerschaum pipe of mine. Oh, it's really good. And I'm going to relax a little bit. I'm going to have my coffee. I'm going to listen to a podcast. And that's going to be my morning. Well, hey, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.